Welcome to this video on Ethereum for Dummies, where we explain Ethereum in a way that even a caveman could understand. Ethereum is like a digital version of those fancy puzzles you have to solve to escape a room, except instead of escaping a room, you can build all sorts of cool stuff like decentralized apps, or dApps for short, and smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into the code. This means that once certain conditions are met, the contract will automatically execute and carry out the terms of the agreement without the need for intermediaries. Imagine being able to automatically transfer money to your friend without the need for a middleman, like a bank, or even buying a digital asset without the need of a physical signature. All that is possible using smart contracts on Ethereum. Ethereum is also used to host initial coin offerings, ICOs, where projects and companies can raise funds by issuing new digital tokens that are built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Another key feature of Ethereum is its smart contract platform, which enables the creation of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, that are able to operate without intermediaries. This means that members can interact with the DAO and vote on decisions directly on the blockchain. Ethereum ecosystem is continuously growing and evolving, and new use cases and projects are being created on top of it. In short, Ethereum is like the ultimate treasure chest of the cryptocurrency world. It's got everything you need, multiple uses, and it's just getting started. And if you ever feel confused, just think of it as a digital escape room puzzle. Or if you're still confused, just think of it as a treasure chest full of shiny gold coins and useful tools. Bitcoin is like a shiny gold coin. It's valuable and you can use it to buy things. But Ethereum is like a treasure chest full of shiny gold coins and other useful tools. You can use it to build, trade, and manage all sorts of digital assets. The native cryptocurrency of Ethereum is Ether, ETH, which is used to pay for the computational power needed to execute smart contracts on the Ethereum network. Additionally, Ether is used as a means of exchange on the Ethereum network, similar to how Bitcoin is used on the Bitcoin network. One of the biggest differences between Ethereum and Bitcoin is that Ethereum is primarily a platform for building decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts, while Bitcoin was created as a digital currency. This means that developers can use the Ethereum network to build their own dApps on top of the Ethereum blockchain. I hope you found this video on Ethereum for Dummies helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And if you still don't get it, just remember Ethereum is like a treasure chest full of shiny gold coins and useful tools.